Hello students, today we will start with workbook. This is worksheet 1 of chapter 10 from your Oxford Advantage workbook. In the first worksheet, here only 4 sums given. The first one, it is given that rupees 12. And then 4 options given. From the options you have to choose that which is equal to rupees 12, and the correct option you will put a tick mark on the correct option. Number 2 is picture of 2 5 rupees coin given, and from the options you have to select that which denomination of notes is equal to 2 5 rupees coins. Question number 3 is you have to look at the picture and find out which item cost the maximum. Some pictures of some objects given, and along with those the price tag is given. You have to find out which is the most costly object and tick mark on the name of that object. In question number 4, a story is given. Rini bought this toy plane. This toy plane is there. Picture of a toy plane is given, and the cost of the toy plane is also written here, 28 rupees. So she bought this toy plane. She gave rupees 30 to the shopkeeper. How much will the shopkeeper return? The cost of the plane is given 28. She gave 30 rupees to the shopkeeper. So the excess amount the shopkeeper should return her back. From the options given below, you will choose the correct answer, that how much the shopkeeper should return her back. Now we are in worksheet 2, page 53, worksheet 2. You can see here some pictures are given, and along with those pictures, the price of those objects are also given. And here some questions follows. Number A is, if Roop has bought 2 toys for rupees 60, which 2 toys did he buy? From the pictures you have to find out that for rupees 60 which 2 toy is possible. This ball is 30 rupees, this top is 30 rupees, and this beer alone is 60 rupees. So if you want to buy 2 toy for 60 rupees, which one will you opt for? A ball and a top, of course, because both are 30 rupees and 30 plus 30 is 60. So over here you will write a ball and a top. How many toy ducks can he buy for rupees 40? Cost of toy duck is given rupees 20. Now for rupees 40, how many toy ducks he can buy? I hope all of you have understood what the answer will be. We will write the answer in the blank. Number C. If Roof wants to buy the toy engine and a toy duck, how much does he need? So cost of this toy engine is rupees 50 and cost of this toy duck is rupees 20. So how much will he need to buy these 2 toys? This also I know you will be able to write the answer. And now I will explain you the story sums that were your yesterday's homework. The first one, as I have told you yesterday also, that cost of packet of cookies given 20, cost of packet of toys given 15. You have to find out how much did they pay in all. So when their line is in all, when it is written in all, you have to understand that we have to do addition. By doing addition, we have find out that they have spent rupees 35 in all. So it is written here 35. In number 2, it is given the cost of goldfish is rupees 50. The cost of swordtail is rupees 45. Here also it is asked how much did he pay in all. In all means addition again. So in the rough also we have done the addition and the answer is written that total cost of fishes is rupees 95. In number 3 children, it is asked how much money is left. When it is left means it will be subtraction. She had rupees 90 with her. She bought a book of rupees 75 and after buying the book, rupees 15 is left with her. We have done the subtraction and after subtraction we got rupees 15. So this way you have to do the story sums. Coming to this, let's practice exercise. I know this addition part, all of you might have done it correctly. The subtraction part, once again I want to tell you that maybe the name of a costlier item is given at the ending part, but when you have to do the subtraction, you have to be very careful that the bigger number, the greater number should be written on top and the smaller number to be written below that. Otherwise you won't be able to subtract it. I'll send a PDF of this page. Check your answers from there. Thank you children.